So cool. You, Frank, today, it's all about you. You are one
ugly
incredible
man.
Come on now, sing that.
Sing that song.
Sing it out loud.
Good morning. Good morning. Goons and mutants. How long's it been? Too long. It's been too long. I am recovering from a major emergent surgery that, as most of them tend to be, was completely unexpected. I'm alive and just able to start getting back in to the little backlog I've created. Thank you guys for your patience. Those of you who have suffered through my poor communication, as this has caught me off guard, to say the least. You guys have been gracious, so thank you so much for staying with me. It was actually very scary, thinking about what would happen to the business. But here we are. Again, this is a Fender, a 1990, the oldest of the old, custom Vibrolux reverb. These are cool amps based off the old 63 Vibrolux reissue. Board, just some nasty mods to increase drive. You know what this is. So, I'm going to take troubleshooting a little different direction, today. And we're actually going to look at the schematic this time because I tend to shoot from the hip. I've done this enough. But sometimes it's nice to go back to the foundation and figure out what this means. Why is that there? We're going to find out. Why does Fender want me to inject an 83 millivolt RMS sine wave at 1 kilohertz into the front end? Well, we're there from a frequency perspective. Am I there? Here? Well, let me adjust the amplitude a little bit. Whoa, this is very touchy because we're looking at 6 decimal points here. And for all intents and purposes, that's going to do it. Let's call that good. Fender says, "Yea, verily, verily, I do declare that if these things are good, then you could just take your meter and then you can put it on volt AC and you could validate all the things in the little circles. All that stuff is AC. All the things in little square boxes, this is DC. So these are the test points. They want us to look at them. Those are the test points. So I got some stuff coming out of storage that you guys are gonna love. I can't wait to show it to you. It's just more test equipment. So, do I need to use my oscilloscope to see what the volts actually look like? To see what the sine wave looks like? No, I don't. I'm not looking at a ramp test point for an oscillator. I don't need to worry about square wave for, looking at the restoration of an oscilloscope. I'm not worried about that. I'm just worried about sine waves. I'm worried about alternating current and all that stuff. So while it's super cool to look at, I don't need to sit here and count the graticules lines and do that kind of math when I can just let my meter tell me what's up. So I don't need to see what this looks like right now. I'm not chasing noise here. So special thanks to old Tomo, to Chef Tomo at the best sushi restaurant that I've been to, and helped make my recovery a special one. I'm gonna check him out, and I'll probably disclose the name of the restaurant. But I'm gonna have to make some room on this bench for the new stuff. And I don't know if Meow Meow Kitty there is gonna still be perched up there, but I'm excited to get the old iron cooking again. I'm going to take this break as an opportunity to sort of clear some of the clutter out of life and the bench, the things I'm not using. This dual channel leader oscilloscope is going to be, I'm either going to fix it or I'm not. I mean, right, everything's 50-50 in life. Either it will or it won't. I'm probably going to put it in storage. I don't have time. I already have two oscilloscopes coming out of storage that are going to blow your mind. One of them is relatively on the cheap end, something for you guys out there who are just starting. I want to have a sort of a low-end scope that I could show you guys, and then I have just a classic scope, a timeless design, a work of art that I'm going to be putting back on the bench after I'm finished with it. But in the meantime, my favorite scopes of all time are these Japanese leader scopes. Before Kaizen was a philosophy, maybe, these guys were cranking out amazing scopes. So let's dig into this thing. And it's going to be a couple days before I have an update for you, because I'm probably not even supposed to be doing this. I'm still on some slight restrictions. And maybe I'll tell you more about that stuff later. But happy Father's Day if it applies to you. If you're beefing with your dad out there, fix it. Just fix it. Bye.